This is an intelligent cutting machine for the carbon fiber industry high-precision cutting machine. Model AOL 21625. Working with 1,600 2,500 millimeters. The machine body is made of integral steel structure. Weight about 1,500 kilograms. Integrated welding process. Heavy-duty platform. More stable operation. More accurate cutting. Voltage support 220 volts 380 voltios. The whole machine power 9 kilowatts. Support remote networking upgrade and diagnosis. Adopting vacuum absorption platform with 16 partitions. Automatic absorption of materials. Ready to put and cut. Suitable for different sizes and thicknesses of materials. Adopting aviation grade honeycomb aluminum tabletop. Sturdy and durable. No deformation. Imported high precision rack. Make cutting thick hard materials more powerful to ensure that the cutout of the higher precision. Feeder tabletops are available with customized feeder racks. The software supports DXF, PDF, and other graphic formats. Easy to operate. Automatic nesting software. Fast nesting. Nesting can be achieved to maximize material utilization. The cutter is equipped with a multifunctional cutting and nesting system. From the shape of the cut piece to the nesting of the material on the system. Carbon fiber has become an important material in aerospace, automotive manufacturing, sporting goods, and other fields due to its lightweight, high strength, high rigidity, corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, and other properties. Carbon fiber is available in the form of carbon fiber board, carbon fiber cloth, prepreg, etc. Cutting tools can be selected according to the characteristics of the material. Oscillation knife can be used to cut. Materials such as carbon fiber and prepregs. Round knife are suitable for cutting circular patterns and soft cloth materials. Pneumatic knife for cutting carbon fiber, prepregs, etc. Milling knife are used to cut hard carbon fiber sheets. Punching is used to make holes according to different cutting requirements. Marking pen for marking prepreg materials. Optional labeling with name and QR code with cutting. Path for easy differentiation and cutting. Cutting finished products with high precision. Small error. Cutting cutting edge smooth. To meet a variety of shaped pattern cutting. We offer fast delivery. 3-year warranty, remote assistance, video training, and other services to help you easily deal with all kinds of carbon fiber orders. Choose AOL CNC to be your best cutting partner. Feel free to contact for customized solutions.